What's up? In this video, I'm going to be opening up the Rosewill Micro ATX mini case off of Amazon. I picked this sucker up for about 20 bucks. We're going to open it up and see what we got. But first, a word from our sponsor. Coffee. That's right, coffee. Without it, many great games would not have been brought to you. It helps devs stay awake and complete important tasks. All right. Well, as I said earlier, we've got the Rosewill Micro ATX mini case here. Normally it goes for $25 on Amazon, but I had this bookmarked and Amazon notified me that it was on sale for $19.99. I have some future projects coming up and I needed a cheap case to be able to put them in, so I decided to get it. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Computer cases typically don't come double boxed from Amazon. So this is the actual box directly from Rosewill. Charge up. Ooh, got a little static shock there. Some styrofoam. Good. We got the manual here. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got in here. Power ATX, disassembly chart. Yeah, some basic stuff in here. All right. We got our static bag, or not static, I guess, but a plastic bag, and the case. Pretty lightweight, as I would expect. It does come with some cheap thumb screws here on the back, or thumb-like screws. So I did have a screwdriver, but it doesn't look like I'll need it. Open this up. Take off the front panel here. Pretty basic, no fan mount on the side here. All right. So this is what the inside of it looks like. You can see it's about an 80 millimeter fan in the front. It looks like, or maybe it's a 120 millimeter fan, and then really small fan back here. It looks like you can have upsize this to a larger fan at some point. That's the only two port spots for exhaust. It's got three 3.5-inch ports here and two 5 1/4s. So it's pretty straightforward. You got, what's that? 1, 2, 3. You have 4 slots for your PCI expansion cards. Let's see here. We've got front USB, HD audio. Let's see here. AC97 with a front bus, and your basic assortment of power switches. All right, it's pretty standard stuff here. Let's go ahead and take off. Doesn't look like we have too much for cable management, which I would not expect, considering this is a $20 case. Let's go ahead and take off this panel. All right. So the power supply mounts at the top side here. and it's open across the top here. So it looks like we can pretty easily route the power cables in through this port here for hard drives, your 24-pin connector, and graphics card, if we put one in here. It does look like there's quite a bit of space here for the graphics card, nothing really to get in the way. Only going to really be able to run one though. I doubt we'll be able to fit two in here. Yeah. Pretty good. Not bad. I'm going to leave the front plastic on here just to keep it protected until I'm ready to use it. Oh, looks like one of those 3.5-inch drives is actually front facing. So, yeah, cool. It's not just an internal. You can do something with it. There you got two USB 2.0 ports on the front, your audio, and it looks like a microphone and a headphone jack. Pretty straightforward stuff. So cool. This will get used for 20 bucks. Pretty good. Not crazy pricey. So I don't expect too much, but it looks like there'll be enough space in here to mount everything. It does come with the, oh, actually here, need the knife here. Oh, let's just twist it on, okay. It does come with the basic hardware package, some screws, standoffs, and it looks like it even has a little speaker that you can mount, which is very handy if you are into getting the BIOS codes if it starts beeping at you. Or, well, it won't start beeping at you when you build a system unless you hook up a microphone. So that can be very handy for debugging if you're having issues even getting the system to post. So very nice. Cool. All right. Well, if you like this video, you know what to do. Click the like button. Hit subscribe. Leave a comment. There's going to be more great content coming out for you in just a few short days. I'm constantly working at improving these videos and making them better and giving you more and more content. So please leave me some feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. And let me know what you want to see so I can deliver to you guys what you want. Until next time, stay classy.